So I wrote a song called Dismantling Johnny. I wrote it a while ago, and it goes. Well, it's based off, it was inspired by the Bob Marley song, Redemption song, that intro, anyways. But then my song drew lyrics from an episode of 90210 where David Silver's friend kills himself, and like his parents were putting a lot of pressure on him, and he ended up killing himself, and they come home and find him dead on the floor or whatever. So it was like, dismantling Johnny, piece at a time. First they took his pride, then they took his mind. You're looking in from the outside, nothing's what it seems. Now look there on the floor, there's your American dream. Well, mommy and daddy's picture perfect world is shattered when Johnny's head hit the floor. Now he can't screw up anymore. Dismantling Johnny, a piece at a time. First they took his pride, then they took his mind. Right down to his Chuck Taylor shoes. The making of another wasted all-American youth. And mommy and daddy's picture perfect world shattered, but Johnny's head hit the floor. Now he can't screw up anymore. Dismantling Johnny, a piece at a time. First they took his pride, then they took his mind. That's what you get when you bet Bob Marley in an episode of 90210. Cool little acoustic jam. Thanks, guys.